We are just a month away from Samsung's first flagship release of the year. Samsung Unpacked event date has officially announced and it is February 11, 2020 in San Francisco in USA at 11 am. We will see two devices at the Unpacked event, the Galaxy S20 and the Galaxy Fold device. You may be thinking that Galaxy S20 instead of S11? Yeah, S20 instead of S11 because many rumors are claiming that 2020 will be marked as a change in Galaxy S lineup, and also we know that three devices are going to be launched on the Unpacked event as well in terms of S series, and the naming for that devices will be the base variant will be S20, S20 Plus and S20 Ultra. Ultra is the new naming scheme which is going to be introduced in Samsung Galaxy S series. So that's a new change which is coming from Samsung, and Samsung believes that a new decade, a new phone and a new device name has to be introduced in these devices, and I am pretty much comfortable with that naming. So moving on, let's discuss the Galaxy S20 looks, and it looks similar to the Note 10 in terms of front of the device, where we see a punch hole cutout present in the top center of the device, which means a great change has been made from the previous generation, and now we see a punch hole camera cutout present in the top center of the device. Although the device is looking similar to Note 10 from front side, there is a difference on the back side of the device. Instead of vertical camera which is present in Note 10, we will see a square shaped camera setup present on the back side of the device. Now let's discuss the Galaxy S20 phone display, and so Galaxy S20 phone features a high refresh rate which was first introduced in gaming phones. This refresh rate will bring a smoothness to the overall experience of the device. Last year many companies provided 90Hz refresh rate, in which OnePlus 7 and Pixel 4 have a 90Hz of refresh rate inside them. But Samsung has not provided the 90Hz refresh rate in their devices, and they only provide a 60Hz of refresh rate in their device. But in this year, a popular leakster Ice Universe has confirmed that we will see a 2K 120Hz refresh rate inside the upcoming Galaxy S20. One thing is for sure which comes in our mind, by having a high refresh rate will bring a high battery drain as well in the device. So how Samsung can tackle this? So in my opinion, we might see a heavy battery or some sort of optimization inside it, so our battery can be optimized and it can utilize the 120Hz refresh rate in our devices. So more leaks are going to come regarding that, so we will discuss in our next video when those leaks are arrived. So next, moving towards the screen sizes, well, according to Even Plus, the base variant of S20 will come in 6.2 inch, S20 Plus will have a 6.7 inch of screen size, and S20 Ultra will include a 6.9 inch of screen sizes. Front of the device also holds a punch hole camera, and also we might see a new improved ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, and even an HDR10 Plus is going to be seen on front side of the device. So in my opinion, 120Hz refresh rate is going to be an impressive thing from Samsung. On the back side of the device we see a new square camera bump, and this camera bump design language is going to be seen in rest of the year for all the devices which are going to be coming in the later part of the year. Even the mid-range categories are going to be seen a square camera bump on the back side of the device. In terms of Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, there are rumors that we might see a quad camera setup present on the back side of the device, and according to Ice Universe, main camera which is coming from the Samsung is 108 megapixel camera sensor, and this camera sensor is different from the Mi Note 10 from Xiaomi which has come, and that camera was also made by Xiaomi and Samsung. But there are rumors and reported over the Samsung new camera, because Samsung is bringing up a new 108 megapixel camera sensor for their own devices, and since it is developed by Samsung, so we might see a much improved variant of 108 megapixel camera sensor in the device. The other camera which is going to be added inside the device, and it's leaked that a 48 megapixel periscope lens with the 5x optical zoom is going to be seen in Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra device. Also we will be seeing an ultra wide camera, and the last camera will be of time of flight sensor. Both of these camera sensors are not yet been confirmed or leaked over the internet, so whenever any leaks arrive I will let you know. You can subscribe my channel and get notified for those videos as well. So moving on towards the internal, well, it's pretty much obvious that Snapdragon new processor Snapdragon 865 is going to be seen in the upcoming Galaxy S20 series, because if you look at the history, and every year we see the latest Snapdragon processor is going to be seen in the flagship devices of Samsung. So this year will not be a different one, and we see a Snapdragon 865 processor inside the Samsung devices, and also we might see a Samsung homegrown Exynos 990 processor inside it. Also do keep in mind that the Samsung is also stated that they are going to launch more 5G devices in 2020. There will be a variant available for Samsung S20 5G as well. So this year the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, we might see a 12 GB of RAM inside it. In storage wise, we will see the higher variant will be of 1 TB. There are certainly many rumors regarding the battery. We may see a massive 5000 mAh of a battery inside, and the fact that it is including a 120 Hz of refresh rate and a large screen, so it requires a high battery. It is pretty much clear that the Samsung Galaxy S series to come with the latest Android 10 device with Samsung new One UI 2.0. So that is pretty much it, and more leaks are expected to come. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video has helped you guys, a sub will be massively appreciated. Thanks for watching, and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.